In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily make a poll on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat app. Once it is done, first off we need to take a picture using our camera. And after that, guys, basically all you have to do is just stop right here at that stickers icon to go to stickers, and among these stickers right here you will find poll. If you type right there, it will put this poll sticker over your picture, and here of course we can't make a full-fledged poll with multiple answers because there can be only two options to answer, but we can still make a kind of a poll here, and let's start with entering our question there. I recommend that you use a yes or no question. Instead of asking which color do you like the most, you can ask here, do you like a red color? And after that we can also configure these two options. We can, by tapping on them, bring up this menu, and from here we can choose different emojis as an answers for that poll. And basically, guys, after that hit right here at done, and then you can also move it around. Just place this poll wherever you want. Also we can, by doing that movement, resize it. And once it is done and you are ready to share it, just hit right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.